What's up? Happy December. We're gonna start this merry month off with a nice cold martini. For 3. Nowadays, most of the time people order martinis, they either get a vodka martini or one of the modern variations, like apple teas. I'm gonna show you 3 variations of the classic martini. We're gonna start out with the regular version, quickly do a dry martini, and then we're gonna do a dirty martini. A martini is actually one of the most turned drinks you can order. Not only is there 2.5 shots of gin, but the correct way to make a martini. And the way they usually make it for you at a bar, they usually leave the pour running and give you a nice little extra squirt. And a shot of dry vermouth. A little bit of ice. Break it up. Garnish with 3 olives. Usually you should put your olives on a stick. A dry martini is simple, but just about everyone gets them wrong. Do the exact same thing you do with a regular martini, but this time we're just adding in a very small amount of vermouth, like maybe a 1/4 shot. And usually they put a little bit more gin in there, which is the reason I usually order them that way. Most times I order these at, like, let's say a restaurant. Let's say I'm doing a dry vodka martini. They usually just do straight vodka, shake it up with ice, pour it in a random glass, and serve it up without a garnish. That's not a martini. That's a vodka shook. Let's do a dirty martini. For a dirty martini, do all this shit again. Crafting the most amazing cocktail humanity has ever seen. Then just pour a little bit of olive brine. The martini I usually get is just a dry vodka martini, because I appreciate the extra vodka. Whenever I have a gin martini, I do like it with the full measure of vermouth, and I like it a little dirty. That's because gin's a lot stronger and has a lot more flavor. So when you combine everything, it really has a nice flavor. Whereas for me, I like vodka a little bit more pure. If you're a strong supporter of the consumption of martinis, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also be sure to check out my other videos that I make. I make other types of videos where you could learn stuff, or you could also like be entertained and see something entertaining. That's cool if you watch videos.